You have been provided a replacement DreamStation device from Philips. It will replace your current System 1 device and should have been set as per your prescription or current device settings. If the settings are different on your replacement device, please contact Philips. Please always refer to the user manual for further information on using your device. Step 1. Disassemble your current device. If you use a humidifier with your device, ensure that the water chamber is empty before proceeding. Unplug your current device from the wall and place your current equipment on a table. You will need to remove the accessories from your current device as you will keep your accessories. To remove the accessories from your current device, first remove the power supply and cord. Next, disconnect the ends of the tubing to remove your mask and tubing from the device. If your current device has a heated humidifier, you'll need to disconnect it from your device. Remove it by placing one hand on the device and the other on the humidifier. Then pull the release latch on the bottom of the humidifier and gently pull the two components apart. Put your accessories aside as you continue through the return instructions. If your current device has a modem installed, please remove it by first locating it on the back of the device and pulling back firmly on the modem to remove it. If your current device has an SD card, please remove it and keep your SD card. Do not return it. Locate the SD card slot on the back of the device. To remove the SD card, press on it gently. It will pop out slightly and you can then pull it all the way out to remove it. Be sure to inspect your current device to ensure that all accessories have been removed. Step 2. Assemble your replacement device. In the box, you would have been provided your return and setup instructions, accessory cleaning and inspection instructions, new user manual, and replacement DreamStation device. Please follow the accessory cleaning and inspection instructions provided, and if you notice black foam particles, please contact Philips. Take your replacement DreamStation device out of the box and place it on the table. DreamStation devices come with a user manual, standard flexible tubing, disposable ultrafine filter, power cord, power supply, and carrying case. A reusable blue pollen filter and SD card come installed in the device. In addition to the reusable blue pollen filter, you can add the optional disposable light blue ultrafine filter for additional filtration. To do this, lift open the filter access door on the right side of the device. Simply remove the filter assembly, place it on top of the ultrafine filter, and snap them together. Then slide the filter assembly back into the device and lower the filter access door closed. Next, reassemble the new or current and cleaned accessories as applicable with your replacement DreamStation device, noting you may have received a device with a humidifier attached. Connect the power supply with the power cord. Plug the power cord into a powered wall outlet and connect the green end of the power supply cable to the green power inlet port on the left side of the device, making sure that all connections are secure. To finish the setup of your replacement DreamStation device, connect your current and cleaned mask to the new standard flexible tubing and then connect the tubing to the device or to your humidifier if you use one. If you are using a new heated tube, line the tube connection up with the outlet port on the humidifier and press until the tabs click into the slots. Once this is done, press the Therapy On-Off button on top of the replacement device to ensure it's operational. The current delivered pressure will display on the screen. Now, let's learn more about how to use your DreamStation device. Beside the Therapy On-Off button is your ramp button. If enabled, you can press the ramp button to reduce the air pressure when you're trying to fall asleep. When you press the ramp button, the therapy screen will change to reflect the ramp pressure, and the circle will reflect the gradual increase in pressure. Press the Therapy On-Off button again to stop therapy. If you're using a DreamStation BiPAP Auto SV or BiPAP AVAPs, press and hold the Therapy On-Off button for 2 seconds to stop therapy. Beside your display screen is your control dial. You navigate the display screen using the control dial. This allows you to adjust your device settings and view information about your therapy. Rotate the control dial in either direction to scroll through the menu options on the display screen. To adjust a setting, rotate the control dial to your desired menu option. Press the control dial to select that setting. Rotate the control dial to change the setting, and press the control dial again to save that change. Options with a down arrow have additional options or screens. Pressing the dial when an up arrow appears on any submenu will return you back to the main menu or home screen. If you use a humidifier, you should fill your humidifier water chamber each night with distilled water before you go to bed. To do this, Slide the humidifier release latch toward the therapy device while simultaneously lifting the humidifier lid up to open the humidifier. You can now remove the humidifier chamber. Clean the humidifier chamber before first use by cleaning with warm soapy water. After each night of use, empty any remaining water and rinse the chamber as needed before filling. To reduce damage to your device, always remove the humidifier chamber from your device before filling it with water. Set the chamber on a firm, flat surface and fill the chamber with distilled water no higher than the maximum fill line. Then carefully place the humidifier chamber into the humidifier and close the humidifier lid until it snaps closed. To start therapy, press the Therapy On-Off button. If you have a humidifier attached, this will also start when you press the Therapy button. You can adjust the amount of humidification by rotating the dial to the humidifier icon and pressing to select it. If you are using the standard flexible tubing, rotate the dial to choose a setting from 1 to 5, with 5 offering the highest amount of humidification. Press the dial to save the change. If you would like to turn off the humidifier heater place, adjust your setting to 0. If you are using a heated tube, you adjust the humidification in the same way. You can also adjust the tube temperature setting by rotating the dial to the heated tube icon and pressing to select it. Rotate the dial to choose a setting from 1 to 5, with 5 offering the highest temperature. Press the dial to save the change. If you would like to turn off the heated tube, adjust your setting to 0. Press the Therapy On-Off button again to stop therapy. Please always refer to the user manual for further information and clarification on using your device, including cleaning and adjusting your patient settings. Step 3. Return your old device to Philips. Once you receive your replacement device, you will need to return your old device. Philips will assist you in returning your old device. It is very important for Philips to work with our patients to ensure the return of affected devices under our urgent product defect correction in Australia and recall for product correction in New Zealand. More information in relation to the correction is on the Philips website at www.philips.com/src-update. The return shipment for your old device is prepaid, so there is no charge to you. Remember, do not return any accessories like your mask, tubing, power supply and cord, humidifier, modem or SD card. If you're in New Zealand, please go to the Philips website for details on how to return your old device. The following process will not apply to you. If you're in Australia, return your old device using the Australia Post Returns process. Please go to the Australia Post Returns portal. Input your device serial number as the reference number and your email address. Then input your personal details, including your address, and review and accept the terms and conditions. You can then choose to print your own label or print in store. Once complete, you can take your old device with your confirmation email from Australia Post to your nearest Australia Post location. At the post office, Australia Post will provide you with packaging for your old device to be placed in. Once you have packaged your old device, provide it to Australia Post for return to Philips. Thank you for your cooperation in this effort. For further assistance, please contact Philips or your home care provider.